The 1987 Mercedes-Benz 560 SEL stands as a symbol of luxury performance and engineering excellence, representing the pinnacle of the W126 S-Class generation. Built with an emphasis on refinement and durability, this flagship sedan offered an unmatched combination of power, comfort, and advanced technology for its time, making it a favorite among executives and enthusiasts alike. Under the hood, the 560 SEL featured a powerful 5.6 V8 engine producing 238 horsepower and 287 pounds-ft of torque. Paired with a smooth 4-speed automatic transmission, it delivered effortless acceleration and a refined driving experience. Designed for long-distance cruising, the 560 SEL provided exceptional highway performance with a top speed exceeding 140 miles per hour, making it one of the fastest luxury sedans of its era. Its rear-wheel drive layout, combined with a well-tuned suspension system, ensured a balanced and composed ride, while the available self-leveling rear suspension maintained optimal handling and ride quality. The chassis was built to Mercedes-Benz's legendary standards with a robust body structure designed for safety and durability. The W126 platform was ahead of its time, featuring advanced aerodynamics that reduced wind noise and improved fuel efficiency. The braking system included 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS, ensuring precise stopping power and enhanced driver confidence even at high speeds. Inside, the 560 SEL offered an opulent cabin filled with high-quality materials and advanced features for the time. Premium leather upholstery with trim and power-adjustable heated seats provided exceptional comfort for both drivers and passengers. The spacious interior boasted ample legroom, especially in the extended wheel cell variant, making it ideal for luxury travel. Features such as automatic climate control, a premium sound system, and an optional car phone reflected the cutting-edge technology of the late 1980s. The driver-oriented dashboard layout ensured ease of use with intuitive controls and a classic analog instrument cluster providing vital performance data. The exterior design of the 560 SEL was both elegant and imposing, with a long, sleek body, distinctive chrome accents, and the iconic Mercedes-Benz grille. Its aerodynamic shape contributed to both performance and efficiency, while subtle design elements like flush-mounted headlights and integrated bumpers added to its sophisticated appearance. The signature 3-pointed star hood ornament reinforced its status as a top-tier luxury vehicle. If you enjoy classic luxury car reviews and deep dives into automotive legends, be sure to join the community. Your support keeps the passion for timeless vehicles alive and fuels more exciting content. Subscribe today and stay connected to the world of iconic automobiles.